Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be helping you solve an issue that's pretty common, but super frustrating when your PC shows that not all of your RAM is usable. You might have 8, 16, or even 32 gigabytes of RAM installed, but Windows only lets you use a portion of it. This can slow down your system, cause lag, and limit what your PC can handle. So, if you've checked your RAM and noticed that it's not fully available, stay tuned. I'll be walking you through a few quick and effective methods to make sure you're getting the most out of your RAM and boosting your PC's performance. Let's dive in and get this fixed.